See, one of the challenges, and always a challenge, yeah, is, you know, I brought this up before. It's like every time you invent something or explain something, you know, describe, trying to get something across, right? So every time I try to get something across, I gotta invent ways of speaking about it. Words, distinctions, you know, and maybe metaphor, analogies, stuff like that. And then, okay, at some point, if that's repeated too often, people become jaded to it and it becomes not useful. You following me? And so then I'll change it. I'll change the words maybe I use sometimes. Because you know, you've heard me talk about you know, not liking the words. See, because as you yourself well know, the words represent a distinction. See, now as I'm talking right now, every single word I'm saying represents a distinction, and I'm fine with that because, you know, we can converse. See, we share these distinctions, and so, you know, English language, you know, bing, ding, 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 ding. So every sound I make, given you understand the English language, and you do, right? Every sound I make is popping a distinction. Popping a distinction, you see? So do you see? See? Every word I say, a distinction is popping up. Up. A distinction. You know, okay, see, like that. And so, okay, we just yammer on. You know, every once in a while, there might be a confusion about a word or something, you know, what I mean by it, like that. But, you know, 90% of the time that I'm just talking or you're just talking, we pretty much understand what's being said. Ish. Not a problem. But trying to communicate stuff that's not shared as a culture, that's not shared, it's not in our language. Now we got troubles. We got troubles in River City. Okay. See? So now, okay, what do we do? How do we do it? So I got to say something that you understand, right? See, I can't. This doesn't get us anywhere, does it? You know, because it doesn't mean anything. You see, there's no distinction behind rock or her. Really, and so, you know, so I got to use the language, and so then I invent words. Okay, you know, so people do that, right? Invent words, and I mean, if we were going to become a mechanic, we would learn terms that mechanics use, right? See, we would know what those mean. Right now, if we're not mechanics, right? Probably we're not. We don't know what those mean. See? And so if we're talking to a mechanic and he's talking about all kinds of stuff, you know, it's like, yeah, okay. It's like, I don't know what that you're referring to. You know? And then he says wrench. Ah, I know what a wrench is. That's that ginger. See? Okay, so we'd learn that. So in this domain, of course, you see, then similar, we create a kind of jargon, which is to say, we use words specifically. So I start saying things like perception, different than the way we normally use perception. Consciousness, different than the way we normally use consciousness. I point out things. Manipulation, different than the way normally we use the word manipulation, etc. Condition, whatever it is. See? And then educate you, you know, and to understand what these words mean. See, what I'm talking about. So you start seeing different distinctions. You start seeing a different reality. Yeah. Sometimes, of course, that's misunderstood. But some of it, sometimes, some of it is like just, okay, good, now we're just chatting, you know, new words. But some of it, you know, we're reaching for something, like, say, self-survival. See, we're reaching for something that's really challenging to understand. In the beginning, it's not you can understand, you know, intellectually what the fuck I'm talking about, basically, and you can validate it and say, oh, yeah, I see. See, but to actually get it like an experience. So then I don't like the word over time because, you know, we say survival is it survival? Yeah. But you understand? See, like in the normal, you know, like in the song, you know, I will survive, or it's a different meaning, you know, or you know, is there a show called Survival or something like that?
Survivor.
Survivor. Okay, see, that's
out
a
in the
different
woods and
meaning, right? You know, etc. You know, and so we got these different. You know, you survived the car crash. Okay, good. I'm glad, happy for you. But see, and so like it always constantly impinges. You see that other meaning impinges on what it is I'm trying to say, and becomes very difficult because inside of survival, because of survival, right? There's good and bad, and so we look at everything as good and bad, and so survival now is bad, right? See, no, oh, it's good. Well, no, it is. Yeah, see, but it's hard for us to get anything like as it is, you see, etc. See, so the words become a challenge, you see. And then sometimes also, like I say, primary concept, secondary concept, is it useful? Say at some point, say, no, it's not that useful anymore. See, it's not that useful. In the beginning, see, obviously, if I call this concept, it catches people's attention, doesn't it? That's probably why I would do it. See? It's like, you can't, well, yeah, okay. You know, so you have to stretch, right? In order to consider that. You know. See? But at some point, and then I'll change the words. Like I told you, Joe, he didn't like that, you know. See, I would have ways of speaking for a few years, and then I'd go, okay, and then I'd change the ways and the words. And he didn't like that because he just memorized all those first ones and got it all sorted out. Now you're changing it, yeah. See, isn't it refreshing? No, just memorize it. No, that's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to experience what's going on here, not memorize it.
Thanks for watching. Taste Ralston's wisdom for yourself. Ralston didn't obtain his wisdom by watching videos. Join him in doing this work. Please check the links in the description.